How to change your username on Fiverr. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually change your username on Fiverr, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually change your username on Fiverr, just go to fiverr.com first. Then once you go to fiverr.com, you will land on this page over here. Then what you need to do is make sure you're logged into your account. Then just click the profile icon from the top right hand side, and then over here you simply want to go to profile. Once you go to profile, here you'll be able to see our name, so which is our display name, right? So if you're talking about this name, then this is actually set by default by Fiverr themselves, so this is nothing that we can change that. What you can do change is you can actually change your display name. So you can just select change display name here, enter the new display name that you want to use in this case. So let me just go ahead and then actually enter my new display name over here, and then once I've done that, all I need to do is just click on the save display name option, and then here you can see my display name has been successfully changed. That's simply how you can change your name on Fiverr. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.